Okay, we are at the woods. Let's put the Lilu La Luna on. Oh, it's so dark I cannot see. Now, little. 1, 2, 3. So, it's a little bright. I don't know if I found anything, but there's something behind the bushes. I just parked my car here if I want to take a nap. So accidentally I saw something in the woods. Let's put the Larry on. It's kind of spooky. No idea what's in there. Is that just a barn? Oh, okay. A lot of junk in here. Oh, chairs. Just a plain 2x4. Is it that called 2x4 wood here? And tell me if this Lilu light is too bright to my face. And it's practice. Okay. Benches maybe. Put there. Hole in the wall. Attic. Mattress. Jesus. Where are we going? Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's hard to sometimes go when I have both hands something come around the light. Nice tree. I like it. Wonder if there's any other structures nearby. There's a door in that place. Santa's work shed, your workshop. We are at Santa's workshop, maybe. Names in the wall. What do you think? It is spooky, a little spooky. Oh, that's spooky there. Old bench. Nice window. I'm tripping everything today. But I don't think I have to yell anymore if my mic works. There's a door at the end. Oh, they're pretty high. Locked. Wonder how old look. All this. Pretty tight. I don't see any vandalism. I don't like this. Weird windows. Maybe there's a in here. Come on. Be open. Yes. What is it? Yeah, a loo bathroom. Okay, with a little modern those lids or something. There's a window also if you want to take a dump and watch the nature at the same time. And not if you had the emergency goal, there is toilet paper even there. Our shooting sauce. Old. Next. That was just what we saw earlier. Is the bathroom too? Or what? Yes, it's a bathroom too. Oh, it has right walls. So yes, that's a very good, very good. It would be annoying to see a friend taking a dump at the side of you. This window. What bugs are there? It's supposed to be almost October. I always film bathrooms. We are not that glassy exploration channel. We report everything that we see. Everything. I think lots of barrels. I saw a Dexter episode where some guy put girls in the barrels like this. Creepy idea. Wonder what these are. Almost like a swollen. How well, Lilu? Yeah, pretty well. If I put a bigger. Pretty well. I don't know how long this light lasts. But let's try. No, that other. This is better. I'm gonna put this on. It shows more broad woods and everything. This little light makes just a little spot. Moss. So very, very old. Why didn't I put the freaking, what do you call them? Kumisappat, rubber boots. Is there other houses? Oh yes, my feet are getting wet. Water dropping on my head. Again. A-hole. He just gave up. I cannot stand anymore being here. What are these? For the making cages. Can we go through? Yes, we did. It would be fun if there was other house nearby. Where already? Oh. Clumsy Janne in the woods, not a good thing. Really? Oh, I would like to something more. Give me something more. Come on. There's a trail. There's actually a trail. What? Has he burned something? Witchcraft? There's a path to somewhere else too. Damn, shoes. Pretty freaky. I don't know what I expect this path to go. I don't know, it doesn't lead anywhere. There's a huge rock in there. Oh. Yeah, that's a rock. There's moss growing on it. Yeah, we are conquering something. Witch burning area. It's ours now. Okay, this is getting weird. No! Freaking wet shoes. What is that? I bet we lost this in these woods. We found a little part of fence. Yay! That was a huge prize. Oh. Nothing more. Let's get out. Ow! That hurt my back a bit. Should I just quit here this video? Hope you enjoyed the ride. Me exploring this. Wow. Please thumb up. This ending is getting too long. Please subscribe and be a patron if you want to support me. I just wanted to let you know that if you want to. There's a little price system there. Check it out. Check it out. So please, not what please. We will see you in. We will see you in a next episode. Bye bye.